guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye BTV. So today I'm at my almost rawest state. I got my afro out, which honestly has not been this big since like 2011. So hallelujah to whatever the heck I was doing for it to grow. Honestly, if you're new to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and by the title of this video, you guys know it's all about the natural hair. So I wanted to start off by telling this story and then going on to why we're talking about this. So as you guys can tell by the title, it's about a guy that broke up with me because of my natural hair. So it was in middle school. I was in 6th grade and I was dating. You know, back in the day when like you like somebody and they like you, and like your boyfriend or girlfriend, like you don't do anything, but it's just like, oh, this is my boyfriend, whatever, just cute stuff, like hanging out. So I had a friend named Amanda, and she had an older brother named Adam, and Adam was in the same grade as my older brother. So his name's Adam Christensen. I'll never forget. It's funny because like we're Facebook friends now and it cracks me up. So he and I were quote unquote dating. Like it's the most innocent, super like, oh my god, you know, like puppy dog, cute dating, whatever. So we were dating, and like in middle school my mom used to braid my hair in box braids, like micro braids. So you know, like the small and they're long and they're whatever, you know. And so all Adam ever knew was my hair being long, and I never like explained to him like, oh, it's not my real hair, this and that. And one day my mom made me take out my micro braids, and I had to go to school like that the next day. And my hair was like maybe to here, like it was super short, super thin. I didn't even put any like flat iron to it, nothing. Like, gosh, I think I might have a picture of what it looks like without like any flat iron, just me trying to like make sense of it to look like it's something. It was a hot mess. And so I wore my natural hair to school one day, and literally like after he saw me, he was like very shocked, didn't say very much. And then like the next like period, which is like the next class, he broke up with me. So he broke up with me because of my natural hair. And honestly, that was so traumatizing, just because like I grew up in South Dakota. South Dakota's predominantly white state. I went to PWIs everywhere, like elementary, middle school, high school. Like there was a few of us colored folks, but not very much. And it was very, very interesting. So yeah, he broke up with me because of my natural hair, and that like stuck with me for years. Like it wasn't until like my senior year of high school that like I cut my hair and I just wore it out natural like this. And it took a long time. I think like I was dating this guy, and he was Sudanese, so it wasn't as awkward. But one time I was at his house, and I'm just like, and I had a wig on because like obviously I don't show my natural hair, just because of like that incident in like middle school, and it was very traumatizing, and I just was not comfortable like not having a wig on or like my hair braided, something, right? So we were at his house, and I was like, I'm gonna take my wig off, and he's like, all right, sounds good. So I literally like took my wig off and I set it on his like ledge, and ever since that day, like it gave me the confidence to just wear my natural hair out anytime, no matter what. And it was just awesome. Not saying like I needed like approval or validation, but the fact that like he didn't care that my hair was natural, he didn't care that I took my wig off, like it was okay, made it that much better. And I'm so thankful. So I'm telling this story to say like natural hair women, especially like African, we are so shunned, and we are told not to show our natural hair. Our natural hair is nappy and not attractive to people, but like honestly, like that's our most natural state, and that's where people love us the most. And honestly, ever since then, like relationships I've been in, like men love me natural with my hair out. I got my like traditional jalabia on. Shout out to my mom for giving me this. She gives me all of my jalabias, so I love it. And they love us in our natural state with our natural hair out and like no makeup and all this stuff. And like this video is just to say like whatever traumatic situations you've been in, as far as like somebody's telling you your hair is nappy or you look ugly or this and that, like know that it's beautiful. Like hello, I go to work like this now. And sometimes I slick my hair up because I just want another look. I want to show my face. But like I said, this year is a year of like me showing my face. I'm just gonna do just that, whether it's my natural hair out. And honestly, it's so awkward that like I've never really worn my natural hair out on my channel. Like I did, but like I never like talked about it. It was just kind of like an awkward stage and I hated it. But y'all, I feel so beautiful. I feel so comfortable. I'm happy, like so content. Like I don't feel nervous. I don't feel awkward. Like this is me. And anyone who is going to accept you, especially if you're a natural hair girl, the wigs are beautiful, you know, slicking it up, all that stuff like is amazing. But like when it comes down to it, at your natural state of what you look like every day, this is you, and you have to embrace that. So I just encourage everyone to wear their natural hair, figure out what looks best in it. I kind of want to like texturize it to make it curly, but like I love it like this. I definitely look like my dad for sure, but that's cool. But I just want to share that like it is beautiful. You are beautiful no matter what, and nobody can tell you any different because it's your hair. And if you don't embrace it, who will? Like there's only one you, and you have to be so proud of that. And it's a part of my culture. Like my mom, oh my gosh, my mom is like in her natural state, which she is 99.9% of the time, and that's why like I've grown to be very comfortable with it. She is beautiful. Like oh my god, like she's just gorgeous. I'm not even kidding. Like I'm gonna try to get her one of these days when I go back home so you guys can see. But she is just beautiful. She doesn't need anything. Like she's obsessed with her. Yeah, I'm obsessed with my mom. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys, this story time and just appreciating your natural hair and just learning. I don't know very much about like hair growth regimens. I've tried some, but honestly what I've realized actually worked for me is when I was eating very clean. I didn't eat meat. I was drinking a lot of water, celery juice, and just eating very healthily. My hair grew. So I feel like I'm gonna keep doing that. But if you guys want to give me some hair regimens, I don't know what my curl patterns are or anything like that, but like it's actually growing, so you know. Black power. But yeah, just want to share that with you guys and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.